This video describes the hybrid manufacturing capabilities of Esprit. In this example of an impeller part, you'll see the wide range of additive manufacturing capabilities followed by powerful blade finishing capabilities. In a hybrid CNC environment, an additive operation first creates the first 2/3 of the impeller. In the first layer, every other blade starts with a flat deposition contour strategy. The rest of the blades start with a flat deposition zigzag strategy. The rest of the layers are all made with the same zigzag strategy. With Esprit's slice parameter per level capabilities, you can specify different strategies layer by layer as the part is built up, improving management of the deposition. After the first 2/3 of the impeller height is deposited, a subtractive operation finishes the areas between blades and flattens the top of the bead. Additive deposition resumes on the machined surface. Flattening the bead top in this way creates a consistent quality surface on which to deposit the next bead. Alternating additive and subtractive manufacturing operations in this way enables high-quality surface finishing in areas that might become inaccessible during the additive process. Thank you for watching this Esprit product highlight video.